So we're playing the skin stapler demo. From what I've seen, it looks pretty crazy. Yo, what's that sound? Is that supposed to be the music?
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions.
I've just seen
Every
really
corner
weird
consumed
videos of this game.
Vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper of fear and cover-ups. Me? I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I? The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater.
Dick Slater.
I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Weiner, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
He kind of looks like the guy from Rogue
Tell him
Warrior.
I'm on my way.
Dick Van Seiko, whatever his name was. Bro just rips a fat burnout. Okay, so this game is called the Skin Stapler. It is a demo. I don't know too much about it. I've just seen really questionable videos of it from other YouTubers. Yeah, it's it looks like a lot. I don't know.
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment.
How's this work?
Let's see what the chief wants this time.
Okay, so it looks like we're in Carrion City. A flesh pit. That's alright. Okay, dude. Okay, this game's a bit R-rated, if you know what I mean. Why does he walk like this? Okay, sprint. Kind of reminds me of the city from Narc, if you ever played that game, Narc. Alright, let's go talk to the chief.
Hello, Luna. I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
She sounds like Harley Quinn.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
His office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Am I going through here? Okay, so this is the guy that we're looking for, the skin stapler, I assume. Let's get a pack of cigarettes. I forgot this was the 80s where people just smoke everywhere. What's it, missing people? What the hell is... Oh, the American flag. Okay, where the hell am I gonna go? I'm talking to this guy.
Slater! Sir! I mean...
Jeez, why is he
Dick,
screaming?
I mean, Detective Slater.
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir. But I was just thinking, if you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I can really help out there.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out.
Okay. Enough.
You don't want to see.
Roger that, Mr. Slater.
Let's get through it. But I bet he's a skin stapler. Something tells me that guy. Oh, this guy's definitely the skin stapler. Are you serious?
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Not even a little.
Shame. I've got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Sounds like Dana from the pit.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at this station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you took...
I'm not your wingman.
Jesus Christ, everyone in this police station is just horny. Where's the chief? Is this the chief's room? Yeah, he kind of looks like Liam Neeson. That looks like freaking,
I'll be damned.
that
Nice
wrestler.
of you to finally show up, Slater.
The guy who broke his neck and he was like a gold medalist. What the hell's his name? Oh my god, this is gonna drive me nuts.
If
You know exactly what I'm
want
talking
neutral,
about.
You should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the full moon.
Okay, maybe he's the
back
skin
in
stapler.
'79 was legendary.
Yeah.
Actually, no, he kind of
Edge
looks like
total
Pierce
collapse
Brosnan.
back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse.
Knox is your new partner.
Oh, he's not happy.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. O'Brien?
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty call.
Oh my god.
That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a decent Cox film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
Okay. Alright. Where are we? We're still in the chief's office. Where's that new guy? Where's he gone? Where are we going? Hang on. Return to the cruiser outside. Okay. Jeez, look how dirty this freaking place is. Oh my god. Oh, there's my guy.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Understood.
Alright.
Try and
Goddamn chair. Hot, fresh wieners inside. Alright. Jesus
Another
Christ.
beautiful night in Carrion City. And I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices. But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best. Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust. I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Okay, so we're playing as some other guy. Quick fix, okay. Drugs. Do we go through here? Oh, so it's like a pharmacy slash hot dog place? That's the phone, okay. Where's the phone? At the back. Alright.
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you? Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Oh, God.
Are you calling me on the shitter? Alright, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Come on, dude. Okay. Objective. Grab the meat box. Oh, grab the box of mystery meat from out the back. Okay. I think through this way. I mean, we're out the back. Where's the mystery meat? It's around here. Out the back. Oh.
Does this place ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez! You scared the crap out of me, man! What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes.
That was a really cheesy
Especially
jump
the
scare.
ones with a killer punch.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
My. I do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Okay, dude. Hey, I'm just saying, if this guy's at large and there's wanted posters absolutely everywhere, wouldn't you recognize him?
Just another night with another creep. I hate this city.
You know what I mean? I feel like if he was wanted and there's pictures of him everywhere, I mean, it's a pretty distinct looking face, so... Alright, let's chuck it in the meat grinder. Jesus, oh my god. Oh. Are you serious? Oh, we did it. Jesus Christ. Ew. Oh, it's so gross. That's so gnarly. Come on. Yes, we did it. Please tell me that's it. Oh no, again. I think we did it. Ugh. Yes, thank God that's it. Okay, we got the dogs. Okay, where are we going? Okay. Alright. Shit, that was quick. I mean, not a bad looking place for the 80s, and I'd highly doubt it's 3:05. Has to be in the morning. A nice and long one. Can I put another one on there? No, wait, okay, I've got to put this back. Can I? Okay, toasted bun. Oh, up here. Untoasted. I need a toasted hot dog bun. Okay. Yeah, okay, buddy. How do I toast this thing? Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, alright. Relax. I'm not good at this. Sorry, it's my first day. Okay, we got this. Okay. Yes, alright. So yeah, had a good night. Coming here at 3:06 in the morning, even though it's been like that for past 5 minutes now. Alright, alright, okay, alright, I hear you. Alright. I need ketchup and mustard. Ketchup and mustard. Yes, okay. Need relish. It works. I need a hot dog container. Aha. Alright. Here's your hot dog, sir. Enjoy. What the fuck? Why do you eat it like that? Oh, shut up. What the hell was that? Why did he eat it like that? Make the customer hot dog. Well, we just did that, but... Alright, maybe this woman's a bit normal. Hello. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, so we're just making some dogs. Okay. So there was this game I used to play called it was called Kiosk, and it just reminds me of this game so much. Alright. Is this lady gonna eat it weird? Let's... What the hell? Who made this game? Who fucking made this game? Whoever made this game just has some really unsettling... Can we just cook them while we wait? Holy shit, we can. Let's go. Get them pre-made. Oh, someone's here. Who is it? Oh my god, is that the serial killer? Dude, here he is.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment? Oh crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I am in the mood for something a little more unique.
Yeah, and what's that?
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples? Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project. Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again. Real soon.
Alright, buddy. Okay, let's get this pre-made for some people, huh? Okay, this woman kind of looks normal. Hello? Here we go. What the hell? What the fuck? Just go like nothing happened. Alright. We're pre-making these bad boys. So these people just come in, get a hot dog from a questionable drugstore or pharmacy, and then they just leave. Yeah, so there was this game called Kiosk, and it's absolutely awesome. I played it in like one night. And it's just so fun. Someone else here. Like seriously, just a fun game. Give me a meaty, juicy one. Look at this guy. Shut up. How's he gonna eat it? No! Oh my god, dude. Who made this game? We're pre-making hot dogs here. This is actually like, seriously, these games, right? We just make food for people and you just do the same thing over and over. It's just so fun, and I don't know why I find them so interesting. You know, especially with these games, you just like go to the grocery store. Like I was playing this new game, which may already be uploaded to the channel or it might not be, I'm not sure yet, but there's probably go to the grocery store and it's just so fun. Did someone come in? Oh, here comes someone. Like you go to the grocery store and it's just so fun. Alright.
Hey, Hexy.
Oh, we know her.
Hey, Shrimp Queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon.
Oh shit, the guy's in the background.
How much I owe ya?
Where the hell did he come from?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
That's very
I should
good.
be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Oh, she goes. What's he doing? Just watching like a freak. Do you reckon that's his next victim? Why is he just standing there? Alright, does this guy want a hot dog or what? We're just pre-cooking these bad boys. Where'd he go? Jesus Christ, dude!
Shit, dude! What the hell is out of staples.
Ah, Jesus Christ, then just fucking tell me.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Leave, I'm getting the 45.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here. What? I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever. By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
This fucking guy. What do you do to my toilet? Do we check out the toilet? Let's check out the toilet.
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet. Just what I needed.
Alright, let's go have a look. What this mother effer do to the toilet.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. I'd better grab the plunger.
Let's fix this thing. Okay. Ah, Jesus Christ. Ah! Ah! Yes, we did it. Jesus, you don't have to be so vicious. Oh, we did. We did. Could we go 2 in a row? Yes! Okay, I reckon we... Oh no, we're finished.
This stupid thing isn't working.
What's going on? Dude, get your face away from the toilet.
What the... What is that sound?
Dude. Oh, that dude's covered in poo. Oh, that's it. No. Oh, crap, we're still going. I thought that was definitely the end of it. Oh, we back as Dick again. With a girl. With a girl this time.
Break's pretty much over.
Oh.
I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
What are you doing? Can I talk to him? What are you doing? Yeah, way to make yourself look very inconspicuous. It's a very... This game is so dumb. Jeez, hang on. What happened to him?
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping, I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Yeah, I'm just... Oh my god, the audio in this game is very annoying. Alright. What am I doing? Head to the office and microwave the cup of noodles. Okay. The hell's the office? It's back here somewhere. Ah, let's say it's down here. There are the toilets. Here we go. Where's my microwave? Oh, there you are. Disgusting. This
I'll
whole
come back for this
environment
later.
is disgusting.
I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Alright, what's bet Lucas isn't there? It's bet he's been killed. Yep, he's gone. Oh no, here he is. Hello, Lucas.
Alright, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, like what?
What? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. One needs to...
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
Whoever made this game is just so unhinged. Get out of here. Alright, let's do it. Let's do some work. Investigate the ball feeder. Okay, which one is it? This one, I'd imagine. Oh my god, we're hitting it, we're getting it done. Oh shit.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Okay.
I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Like, look at this, just, what is this stuff? Got some shoes. Like, this whole place is just a mess. I don't know why. There's just a random ball there. Jesus Christ. Let's look at the video games, actually. Ah, okay. This makes a lot of sense. So, there was a game that we played on the channel before, Flesh Made Fear. This game looks exactly like... This game's very, like... The aesthetics were very similar. So, it kind of made sense that, yeah, these were the people who made it. Which, by the way, we still haven't finished. We've got to play it a bit longer. I wonder if these are, like, upcoming games that are coming, or... Like, maybe ones that, you know, have already out. I'm not too sure. But, yeah, we've got to finish Flesh Made Fear very soon. It's been a while. Ah, here he is. This fucking guy. Leave me alone, I'm trying to work.
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is. With a
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane? Or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6, thank you.
Okay. Have fun with the skin stapler. Again, this guy's wanted sign is like all over the game. I don't know how these people aren't looking at this guy
Total creep.
and thinking like, oh shit, I recognize him. Hold down. He's still there. Yeah, he's still there. Okay. So I used to play bowling back in the day. Jesus Christ, what's he doing there like a creep? Oh yeah, I used to play bowling back in the day at there used to be this bowling alley near my house. They're gone, they turned the place into apartments now, but like I used to go like every Friday. And I used to work one of these machines. The guy who owned it would let me come and polish the balls. You know, because I was bored and I really loved going to the bowling alley. And I used to get free games because of it.
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
Where is he? But, yeah. Oh, wait. Where are the shoes? Oh, they're right here. What am I doing? Is there a spray? Oh, there we go.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
So yeah, it was like every Friday I'd come to the bowling alley. And I made friends and everyone worked there, and yeah, like I said, there was this machine exactly like this one right here. And I used to put the bowling balls in there and they'd get polished, and the guy would be like, alright, go have a free game. But he'd never turn on the TV screen, he'd just start bowling. It works itself. So yeah, did that for years and years, straight after school. Unpaid job. What am I doing? The hell is he?
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Man, I bet he's somewhere hiding. I can't believe that this is just the demo. I swear to God, if he's in here. Is he in one of these lockers? Want my noodles.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm dead. Is that it? No way.
What happened?
I'm about to get my shit blown smooth off. Okay.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Oh, there he is.
Knuckles away. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be
Okay.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I shrill it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Please, don't.
Dude, just get off the thing. Oh yeah, she's paralyzed. And we're dead. Am I being main to a hot dog? Is that what's happening here? Ew. I've been skinned alive. Well, not skinned alive. I think I've died. Ah, yeah, there we go. The skin stapler. Alright. A very Texas Chainsaw Massacre. A very Ed Gein. Alright, I think that's the end of the demo. It is. Again, it's an awesome game. Yeah, definitely gonna wishlist this because Fleshmade Fear was awesome. This game was just as good. Yeah, I can't wait to see like what else kind of like this developer has in store, because so far everything he has made, everything I've played has just been an absolute like just hit. Yeah, that was awesome. Listen. Like I said, if you like watching these games, you like watching me play these games, if you're interested to see more, please like and subscribe, leave a comment. I have a lot of fun playing these games, and yeah, I can't wait to see what's next and what happens in the future. More to come. There's going to be way more coming. You know, these uploads are going to be more consistent. So if you like watching these, yeah, like I said, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.